Today I'm doing a full video on the Rheems. It's a beautiful windy day, I should say. So I'm doing a full video on the Rheem. It has R14A refrigerant and it was manufactured in July of 2008. And it is a, come on. Okay. I'm guessing this is a 2.5 ton. Yeah. There's like no compressor inside. The guts are hidden behind here. Wire. Okay, there's all the guts. And there's the coil. Yeah. This is at my old bus stop, and I'll be back. Also, they're doing construction over there. They're putting in a new sidewalk. And here's the other Rheem. It's got 3 blades, R14A refrigerant, July 2008. Again, it is a 2 ton. Yeah. Corsaire. This used to be a house, but they turned it into like 2 commercial properties, and now it's like an apartment. And there's the window unit. That's a fire. There it is, and there. Yeah, at my old bus stop. It feels like I'm coming here again, and that I'm coming here on, yeah, it's a nice day, but it is a little windy. Yeah. And, yeah. I wasn't supposed to walk that way. It'd be a little longer. Yeah. Now at a commercial property, and the lines actually go in there. I thought this unit was disconnected. There's the filter dryer. Yeah, this Rheem is kind of rusty. It's almost the same age as I am, but I'm 1 month older than it. Yeah. And then in here's all the guts. Okay. Yeah. There it is. And I'm planning on going to another commercial property over there. You can look at those other units. Yeah, there are some more units I'd like to film. I'll be back. Yeah. Right? No, not yet. Yeah. This is, yeah, 2008 Rheem air conditioners. Yeah. This was my bus stop. But, yeah, these were both made in, the other one was made in Arkansas. Yeah. Okay, so it's got, okay. How about, let's look at the fan motor again. Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Rheem Air Conditioning Division. Yeah. This is a pretty small air conditioner. Yeah, it is pretty cheap, but Train, it's still my favorite air conditioner, but their parts are hard to replace and they're hard to maintain. Yeah. 2008 Rheem air conditioners at my old bus stop and a commercial property and now apartments, plus a higher window unit and another one on the other side. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. This has been a Tan Fan production. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.